Hello guys, it's Mead here, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to adjust and change your name on your Facebook page. So here I am in my Facebook page, and the first thing we want to do is head to the left hand side menu and scroll down to the bottom, and we're looking for this tab called Edit Page Information. So when we hit this is going to take us to where we can literally edit all the information on our Facebook page, from our name to our categories and our details. So what we're going to do is simply actually just change your name to whatever you want it to be changed to. So we might call this Tin Cob Business, and all we've got to do is hit enter, and Facebook should give us a request to change name. Now, I can't actually change my name right now because I have just changed it a minute ago and I'm refilming this video because it didn't work. But you'll be able to go in here, request this name to be changed, and once that's done, Facebook will actually update your name instantly and they'll review it. But they'll actually update your name first. So that's how easy it is. And then to see your name update, I recommend going back to your page and actually just refreshing the home page, and you'll see your name update after you refresh it. And that's how easy it is to actually update your Facebook page name, guys. Now, if you're struggling to find this area on the left hand side that is Edit Page Information, it might be because you're not an admin on the Facebook page. You actually have to be an admin to adjust or change your Facebook page name. Now, I can show you how this works by heading into the settings and going to page roles, and you can see that I'm an admin here. If you're not an admin and you might be an editor or a moderator, an advertiser, an analyst, you won't be able to change your Facebook page name. So make sure that you are an admin, and you'll need an admin to make you one in order to do this tutorial and to actually update or change your Facebook name. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them down below in the comments section and I'll get back to them as fast as I can. See you guys, have a good day.